first. If you have any doubt, you can put it in chat window also. Now this example I have told you how to solve. Second example, now you have to tell me what will be the steps, what will be the answer you will be getting. Sit with your calcs, you have to calculate each and every value. You have to tell me then what answer you will be getting. What will be the steps, what will be the answer you will be getting. Sit with your calcs, you have to calculate each and every value. You have to tell me then what answer you will be getting. What will be the steps. Example, now you have to tell me what will be the steps, what will be the answer you will be getting. Sit with your calcs, you have to calculate each and every value. You have to tell me then what answer you will be getting. What will be the steps, what will be the answer you will be getting. Sit with your calcs, you have to calculate each and every value. You have to tell me then what answer you will be getting. What will be the steps. Example, now you have to tell me what will be the steps, what will be the answer you will be getting. Sit with your calcs, you have to calculate each and every value. You have to tell me then what answer you will be getting. What will be the steps, what will be the answer you will be getting. Sit with your calcs, you have to calculate each and every value. You have to tell me then what answer you will be getting. What will be the steps. Example, now you have to tell me what will be the steps, what will be the answer you will be getting. Sit with your calcs, you have to calculate each and every value. You have to tell me then what answer you will be getting. What will be the steps, what will be the answer you will be getting. Sit with your calcs, you have to calculate each and every value. You have to tell me then what answer you will be getting. What will be the steps. Example, now you have to tell me what will be the steps. Sit with you have to be getting. Sit with your calcs, you have to calculate each and every value. You have to tell me.
My quiver is never full. Hunt them down. Gone. 3 gone. Take it out. Silence.
Bang. हाँ केली आहे. नाही केली.
Captain killed. Enemy down.
Thirty seconds left.
Neutralized.
Ten seconds left.
Silence.
मग In this video today, I want to share with you some of my favorite features of the Stream Elements chatbot. Number one, it's got the automod feature with smart spam filters. Say that 10 times fast. Catches some of those naughty words before you or your mods do even. Number two, you can create your own commands and timers right there in the chat. So when you get asked for the 100th time, where do you
tutorial videos that I'll be posting here on this channel. My name is Tara Buck. I am a Twitch streamer and a Stream Elements support champion. Today we'll be covering how we get our overlays from the site into OBS Studio so that we can stream. I do want to note that if you're using OBS Classic, it's no longer supported by OBS or Stream Elements, so please update to OBS Studio. I will post a link in the description for you to download. You can see here in OBS Studio that I have the Call of Duty World War II super theme. It's brand new. There is an animated version and a static version. Let's hop on over to the site where you will find that we have the animated super theme here and the static one here. I've added them from the themes gallery. So they're now in my overlays. And to get the overlay onto OBS, we need the link to the overlay. We can find that in two different ways. We can either launch the overlay right here, and that will open it in a new tab, and we'll copy the link and then take it over to OBS. We can also go into the editor for this overlay. This is where you would edit it to however you would like. From this page, we can go down to launch and then click copy right here to copy the overlay link. Now, it's very important that you do not share this with people that you don't trust. The link here contains Twitch and Stream Elements information that is private, and you don't want to share that. Once you have your link copied, let's go back to OBS. and we will go to the intro static scene, right click here in sources, and add a browser source. Now we can name this to whatever we would like. I will name it start static. Click OK. Here is where you will paste your overlay link that you got from the site. You'll want to change your width to 1920, your height to 1080. That's very important. All Stream Elements overlays are 1920 by 1080 by default. And then right here, check this box for shutdown source when not visible. This ensures that you're only running one overlay. It will save you from having background overlays running and using CPU. And it will also prevent sounds from playing from overlays that are not visible. By checking this box, it ensures that you only have the one that you're broadcasting running. After that, click OK, and the overlay will load. So here's our overlay in OBS Studio. If after your overlay loads, it does not fill your canvas here, all you need to do is press Control F on Windows or Command F on Mac, and it will fit the overlay to the canvas. Now you can see this is the static version, and this one here is the animated version. The overlays, especially the animated ones with graphics and all that, there's a lot of data here that your plugin needs to load. So they do take a little bit of time to load. And in the next video, I will show you how to minimize or eliminate that load time. I really appreciate you watching this video, and stick around for additional tutorials.
Why only Samruddhi is present today? Ganesh, remaining? You have the habit of writing it in chat, right? You will not unmute and answer, but you will write it in chat.
Yes, ma'am, was
Okay.
it?
So those who have not written, just note down the question.
Hello?
Translation pattern with your original object. Now, why we have not again multiplied the original object like in earlier case here? The final answer which we got, okay, after performing translation, rotation and translation, we have not multiplied multiplication. We have not multiplied that object. What I was asking you is why we are not original object coordinates at the last step. Earlier, numerically we have seen at the last step we have multiplied the original object coordinates. So in this case, why we have not done it? Can you tell me? You don't have this kind of doubt that why the last we have done here, we have not done, or if you don't have doubt, means you have understood it. That why we are not doing. So anyone, can you tell me that why we are not doing it? Yes. Okay. The next one. I don't want to respond. I cannot help. We move to the next example. Now, the next example is now we have using homogeneous coordinate system. We have homogeneous coordinate system of homogeneous coordinate transformation matrix, applying a sequence of transformations to a unit square, center, and origin. What are the steps? What are the transformations you have to do? You have to translate object by half comma minus 1, that is your dx is half and dy is 1. Sorry, half comma 1, where your dx is half and dy is 1. Okay, then second step you have to do, you have to rotate that particular object by an angle of 90 degree equals to 90. Okay, so what are you going to do? Only these two steps will perform, or will you perform any more step here? Can anyone tell me? What will you do, center? But when we have the object centered and which rotate, then why there is a need to again translate that object? Is there anything written that you have to rotate an object around a 90 degree point? See, these are the different questions they will ask you. Okay? This is just, they are just creating, they will just create a confusion. Now here they are not asking you to rotate any object about an 90 degree point. So there is no need to apply translation, rotation translation over here. Okay? Whenever they are telling you to rotate or scale any points will be minus 1 comma minus, sorry, minus half comma minus half. Then this point will be half comma minus half. Then this point will be half comma half. And the last point will be half, sorry, minus half comma plus half, that is 0.5. Okay, you consider it as 0.5, you consider it as half. It is your wish. So what we have to do first, this is my object, this is my square. Now here I will take half. Just to represent the object, you can directly starting scale with 0, 1, 2, 3. But just to represent the object, I will write it as half. So just period. Okay. So just to represent, I have written it as half. So now what you have to do? Now this particular object, you have to translate it as half comma 1. So your dx will be half, your dy will be 1. So what will be your matrix? Matrix will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and half, 1, and 1. Okay. So dx is half and dy is now dx is half and dy is 1. This is my translation matrix. Then again I have to perform rotation. So rotation is what? Cos 90, sin 90, minus sin 90, cos 90, and remaining rows and columns are nothing but your identity matrix. That is nothing but your two-phase coordinate system. So next, what we have 0, 1, minus 1, 0. Okay, because cos 90 is 0 and sin 90 is 1. So here also we are applying which kind of rotation matrix? Clockwise. Is it clockwise? Is this clockwise? No, it's anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Okay. So by default we are always considering it as anti-clockwise. Depends how you consider it as clockwise and anti-clockwise depending on the sign of your sine theta. Okay. So whatever is your sign. So whenever your sine theta is negative at this particular point, that time you say it is clockwise. Whenever your sine theta is negative at this particular point, you call it as anti-clockwise. Okay. So your resultant matrix will be, and this matrix multiplied by this particular matrix, which is nothing but 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, half, 1, and 1, multiplied with 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 1. Okay. So you are getting two matrices. So you will get one single matrix after, sorry, one single matrix after multiplying these two matrices. Okay. So your resultant matrix. So your resultant matrix will be what? 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0. Okay. And last it will be minus 1. Okay. So now what you have to do with this matrix, you have to multiply your original object. But your object is what? Your object is a square. So square, it will have 4 rows and 3 columns. Okay. So third column in this is your z axis, for example. Okay. But we don't have any z axis with us. We have only x and y axis. Z axis will be there in your 3D matrix. Okay. 3D object. So what you have to do for last column is you have to matrix, that is nothing but the matrix of your square with the resultant matrix which you achieve by translating object by half comma 1 and rotating the object, same object with value theta equals to 90 where cos 90 was 1 and cos 90 was 0 and sin 90 was 1. So this is the final answer which will be getting by multiplying these two matrices from which we will be calculating only the value that is minus half comma 0 minus half comma 1 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 comma 1 and minus 3 by 2 comma 0. You can also take it in decimal that is 0.5 comma 0 minus 0.5 comma 0 minus 0.5 comma 0 comma 1 then minus 1.5 comma 1 and minus 1.5 comma 0. Okay. So here I will represent the object after what we can say translation and rotation. So our object was a unit square with all the four coordinates. Okay, your object was lying in all the four quadrants. Once you have shifted the object to you have shifted the object to half comma 1, your object has come in your which quadrant? You can say quadrant number 2, and you have also rotated it. So after rotation, your values are a dash, a dash, a dash, and this is the object which has been translated as well as rotated with your coordinates, whatever the coordinates they are asked. So just cross verify the values first. So okay, so note down the question, and also note down the diagram. Okay, then immediately you can start with your translation matrix and rotation matrix and multiplication of these two matrices. Any doubt? Anyone? Anyone is having any doubt?
No doubt, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Okay, with this we are there's one more example we are taking in the picture. With this we are ending our third module. So we have completed module number 1, 2 and 3. Our first module was basic concepts of computer graphics, where we have seen the introduction part, then applications, then transfer scan display, random scan display, what is pixel, what is resolution, what is aspect ratio. Okay. Then second module we have seen output primitives. What do you mean by output primitives? What object we are creating on the screen. So we have seen line drawing algorithms, okay, then circle drawing algorithm as well as ellipse drawing algorithm. So after that, we have seen what are the filling algorithms, that if you have to fill a polygon, so what are the polygon filling primitives, okay, you also find this polygon filling primitive, where we have seen boundary fill, cut fill, and polygon filling algorithms. The last part in your second module, we have seen what are the embedded syntax, okay, to check whether the particular point which we are filling is inside or outside the outside that particular object. So that is the last part of the second module. And last, third module, we have seen transformations. So in transformation, that we have seen descaling, rotation, and translation. Then composite transformation, reflection and shearing, and rotation of an arbitrary point. So with this, we are ending our third module. So these three modules you will be having for your assignment 1. This is your CO1, CO2, CO3. So you will be getting assignment by this week or next week. So you have to complete all the assignments given by the faculty, and they will also giving you the deadline. By that deadline, you have to complete it and upload it on. Okay. Okay. Yes. No. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so have you noted down this question as well as this diagram? So I will switch to the next part. Directly, what you can do, you can directly write down the resultant matrix. In exam, don't use shortcuts. This is just for your understanding, and I will be sharing this video again for so that you work. So note down this resultant matrix. That is 1 0 0 0 and 0 half 1 1 minus 1 0 0 0 0 1. And just check whether you are getting the same answer or not. Please don't copy paste it. Just check whether you are getting the same answer or not. If not, let me know.
सोनिया तो ओळखलं ना सपने दिलं तर ते मग सपत तोंड ठेवलेलं तू तर भाजी करते तू फक्त तू बोलला मला भाज्या
Note down the size of your square. Then final composite transformation. Maybe screen is blurred. So your values are minus half. You can also do minus 0.5, minus 0.5. You could also do
पेड़ आहे का
0.5, minus 0.5,
बाहेर काढून ठेवा तुला
minus
खावा पण
0.5. Okay. And last column is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, done. Multiplying shifting values.
थोड्या वेळ ती पेढे बाहेर काढून ठेव बरं का थोड्या वेळ ते पेढे बाहेर काढून ठेव मग खाऊया आपण ठीक आहे
नाही मला बसलं मागे बरं
कर ना तुला काय करायचं करावं रे मी खाईन
Okay, done. Yes. So you see the last example and we'll end our lecture.
tutorials to come, OBS Studio, that I have the call
Sign up on Binomo and get a chance to earn on exchange rates. Binomo, your honest trading partner.
Want to stand out online? Go to Wix.com and create a professional website.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, streamers. I am Matty Carl, and you've tuned into the pause screen, and today we're going to help you get your stream up and running with a fairly recent new program called Stream Elements for OBS Live. If you haven't heard about it, hit that link in the description and check it out for yourself. Now, you may be using Streamlabs OBS right now for your streaming needs, which I did a tutorial on when I came back a bit ago, and a lot of you have used that to get your Streamlabs OBS set up, but this is a new program for me, and it works great. So I hope if you're here because you're interested in Stream Elements for OBS Live. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's pause. Alright guys, now that we're back, we're going to get into Stream Elements, and I'm going to say this is going to be my first video in this series, so hang with me, because what we're going to do is we're just going to show you the basics of how to set it up. We're not going to be showing you how to optimize it or do anything like that. We're just going to get you up and running. Future videos will be coming that will teach you guys how to optimize and do all of the other cool things, set up alerts if you guys are having problems, use widgets, doing what. Just go ahead and open up that link. This is the not dark mode. This is dark mode. I much rather prefer this. As you can see, I don't have any stream activity, so you're not going to see any stream activity. But before we open up OBS Studio, let's go ahead and head. Now, it's going to take some CPU usage in percentages to go ahead and use these in the Stream Elements OBS Live Studio. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick a theme that you like, and it's going to be whatever, suits your fancy. If you're playing PUBG, you can pick a PUBG one, and this one here is going to be animated. What that does is it's going to be running in a browser somewhere in the background, somewhere out there in internet land, and it's going to be going into your OBS Studio and being directed to that. As you can see here, we got our Stream Elements, whatever it is, the notification here, up here, the Stream Elements just pop up for a tip. That's a pretty generous, 420 bucks, that's generous. And we have our webcam over here, and as you can see, they're both animated. If you don't have a PC that you feel that is going to be able to handle an animated overlay like this, then I would highly suggest you download one of the static themes. Now, there's a lot of these that are animated. The static themes are very cool as well. I'm not gonna lie. Here's one of the static themes from Apex Legends. See, it doesn't have any animation. You're looking at a drop in about 2% to 3% usage based on how well your computer does with this. So we're gonna go ahead and choose one of these awesome things I really like. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Fortnite one right now. This is pretty cool if you're into doing Fortnite. There's one for all of the games that you're really into. This is an animated super theme for Fortnite. So as you can see, you got different elements of rewards and notifications and awesome things to direct the viewer's eye to that kind of keeps them engaged with you. But that's not what we're looking at here. We're looking at what's going to run best for you. So I'm going to say this, I would try out the animated theme first and then try one of the static themes if that's not working. I'm going to go with this Spark theme down here, which is from Overwatch. It isn't super graphically, well, the non-animated one isn't super graphically heavy, but the animated one looks friggin' cool. So once you get in here, we're going to say, okay, this is the one we want. I'm going to go ahead and blow this up so you guys can see it. This is awesome. I mean, it's got everything that I would possibly want. It's got something for everybody. I don't know, whatever you're looking for. So let's go ahead and create my overlay. And it's got something for everybody here. Like I said, it's got, here's the thing. This is an animated talk screen, just like I I showed you at the beginning of the video, if you are talking, then this is something that you're going to do. We have the stream starting soon. This is all customizable. You can customize this countdown clock, the be right back screen, and the stream is ended screen. Now, we're going to go ahead and create my overlay. Oh, we need to fill it out first. Let's go ahead and create my overlay. You can name it whatever you want. It's not up to me. And we're going to create my overlay. And now this is what's really going to be important. You want to make sure that you keep these links for you, because this is what we're going to do. So before we get into any of this other stuff, I'm going to go ahead and open up OBS. First of all, I'm going to copy this to my clipboard, and then I'm going to go ahead and see theme in my overlays. So we're going to go to my overlays, and these are all of my overlays right here. And this is what's going to go in, and these are fully customizable. So let's go ahead and customize one of these awesome ones, and we'll just do the one that is already ready to go. So this is going to be the regular one. So this needs to be centered here. Pause screen. There we go. And we have our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube links. So all you got to do is click on this, and then over here at pause screen MC. If you want to be part of my awesome troop of pause screen